preach,
설교하다, 훈계하다.
preach.
설교하다, 훈계하다.
The pastor preaches every Sunday at the church. The pastor preaches every Sunday at the church. Foundation,
설립 기초 토대.
foundation.
설립 기초 토대.
The foundation of the building is strong. The foundation of the building is strong. Explanation,
설명.
explanation.
설명.
Can you give an explanation? Can you give an explanation? Illustrate,
설명하다, 예시하다, 사파를 넣다.
illustrate.
설명하다, 예시하다, 사파를 넣다.
She illustrates the concept with examples. She illustrates the concept with examples. Interpret,
설명하다, 해석하다, 통역하다.
interpret,
설명하다, 해석하다, 통역하다.
interpret.
설명하다, 해석하다, 통역하다.
He interprets the speech clearly. He interprets the speech clearly. Install,
설비하다, 설치하다, 임명하다.
install.
설비하다, 설치하다, 임명하다.
They install new software every month. They install new software every month. Island,
섬 고립.
island.
섬 고립.
The island is far from the city. The island is far from the city. Gender,
성, 성별.
gender.
성, 성별.
Gender equality is important in society. Gender equality is important in society. Nuisance,
성가심, 귀찮은 존재.
nuisance.
성가심, 귀찮은 존재.
His late-night phone calls are becoming a nuisance. His late-night phone calls are becoming a nuisance. Characteristic,
성격, 특성.
characteristic.
성격, 특성.
One characteristic of the city is its beautiful parks. One characteristic of the city is its beautiful parks. Ingredient,
성분 요소.
ingredient.
성분 요소.
Fresh tomatoes are the main ingredient in this sauce. Fresh tomatoes are the main ingredient in this sauce. Sincerity,
성실, 진실, 정직.
sincerity.
성실, 진실, 정직.
Her sincerity is appreciated by everyone. Her sincerity is appreciated by everyone. Saint,
성인, 성자.
saint.
성인, 성자.
The saint helped many people. The saint helped many people. Erect,
세우다, 조립하다, 똑바로 선, 직립이.
erect.
세우다, 조립하다, 똑바로 선, 직립이.
They erect a new statue in the park. They erect a new statue in the park. Thrust,
세게 밀다, 쑤셔 넣다.
thrust.
세게 밀다, 쑤셔 넣다.
He thrust the box into the closet. He thrust the box into the closet. Haul,
세게 잡아당기다, 운반하다.
haul.
세게 잡아당기다, 운반하다.
They haul the heavy bags upstairs. They haul the heavy bags upstairs.